Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday, the 6th of February, 2021. And this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the second week of February. And as you can see from both these charts, the spot gold started to weaken through the week, and the US dollar against the Japanese yen has been strengthening. And this is also in line with the US dollar index that has been attempting to recover. Let's begin with spot gold. And right from the start of the week, it did gap up initially, gap up at the start of the week, and then started to weaken throughout the week, and was very weak on Thursday, where it eventually fell through the daily 200 EMA and the 78.6 Fib retracement level. So that was a key support, and in fact it fell even further below the 1800 level to almost reach the weekly S3 for last week. Before Friday's recovery or slight pullback due to the lower than expected non-farm payroll report, jobs added was lower than expected, and therefore the US dollar weakened slightly, and this gave a bit of hope for the major pairs. But now this support now has turned to resistance, so we'll see if it's able to break through that and recover, or whether it's going to resume lower down to the swing low here at the 1764 area. So this was a very weak start to the month for spot gold. And let's also take a look at the US dollar index, where it made a very strong bullish start, and that's why the other major pairs fell. It broke through a major resistance at this upper trend line of the triangle, and also the daily 55 EMA. Continued higher throughout the week with a strong move on Thursday, but then fell short of testing this 100 Fib at the previous swing low, and this drove the US dollar lower with the poor non-farm payroll report. So this daily 55 EMA is going to be a key support level. If that doesn't hold, then it could drift lower to test the 138 Fib extension again to find potential support, and it could just as well consolidate for the week until it gathers momentum to try to break through key resistance level. It has not tested it yet, so but it could do that next week or the following week if this support continues to hold. All right, let's go back to the spot gold chart, and if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, so it had been trending lower after this gap up at the start of the week, and started to drift lower below the 4-hour 200 EMA, and falling through this key support and the 1800 level. It has recovered somewhat, but now that's going to be the key test of a resistance. And if we take a look at the Fibonacci level, we can actually draw a reversal setup here where it fell through the support from the previous week and targeted the 200 Fib extension. So that's double the range of this move here, and has climbed back up to the 138 Fib extension level. So we'll see if it's able to break through and pull back up to test this swing low area where it fell through. All right, let's take a look at the dollar yen. And the dollar yen broke through a key resistance level at the 105, and as well as this previous lower trend line, and climb back up above it to push its way through the daily 200 EMA, and eventually retested the swing high of November at this 100 Fib retracement area. So that was in line with the US dollar index. And we could also, let's remove this Fib reversal level. So this is still the key retracement here. There is a bigger bearish continuation move, and that is right at the 106. That was the previous swing low at the 106 area. So that's going to be the next key resistance, and that's where the daily 55 EMA is as well, or weekly 55. Right, so that's going to be the next key resistance at 106. Support is going to be critical at the 105. Right, meanwhile it's hovering at the, right in the middle range where the daily 200 EMA is. So there could be just consolidation next week, and as long as this range holds, it could extend into the following week as well, the next week. All right, so there's only the US CPI figure on Wednesday, and the rest we'll have to see how the US dollar index performs. Meanwhile, do check out my other videos on the other major pairs, and have a safe week and a good trading week, and cheers for now.